Hi guys, postman's bin, 2 packages. I'll open this one first because it does tell us what it is. Plastic measuring cup. When I was doing the crystal kits, I wanted something to measure the liquids in. We used our kitchen cups, but I thought I'd better order some for future reference or future use. So we looked online. We needed ones that measured in cups as well as ounces and millilitres. And this is what we've got. I like these. I ordered 5 just because they were cheap. I don't put the actual links in the video description anymore, but I will put the title of the item so you can paste it into your favourite online store and see if they sell the same item. Right, now the other package. Again, this one does actually tell us what it is. Remote control. Now, this is the first time I've bought something off AliExpress. I usually buy off eBay, but I had a sort of online discussion with somebody about what I purchased here, remote control. They wanted to replace the broken one in their toy grade radio control car, and I said, I'm sure you can get them online. So I searched, and AliExpress was selling them. So we'll see what we've got. This should be the transmitter and receiver, yeah. So a simple little receiver. You can see FB for forwards, backwards. And there ought to be, oh yes, that's L and R for left and right. And then B plus and B minus for battery plus, battery minus. It says 27, 35, 40 and 49 megahertz, but none of them are actually marked, so I don't know which one it'll be or whether you're expected to trim it yourself. Is this open? Yes. That's the aerial or antenna. I think that's the one for the receiver. Yeah, antenna, neither of those holes. So you'd connect it in place. And then the transmitter. That'll be your forwards, backwards, left, right. Normally you'd have a little lever on top that pushed those contacts down. And B plus and B minus. So we'll do a little project just to see if we can get this working. Well, there's the antenna lead. Yeah. So we'll have to give that a try. Again, I'll put a title of the item in the video description and you can do your own search for it. But as I say, I did find this on AliExpress. 2015 11/29. That one's got an LED termination as well. I wonder if that works. Right, so that'll be a separate project. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's other channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.